So hello people, this is Moscarblog. We are currently in the AMG GT R and let's test it now out on the Autobahn, how this thing performs. Wow, this car is popping at 200. Oh ho! Whoa, whoa! So loud, this is such an experience. And the sound is all real. There is no fake sound in here. What is going on? It's actually pretty doable on the Autobahn. It's not jumping around too much. You're not sitting too low. It's actually pretty okay to drive it. I could imagine taking it for long journeys, but in the comfort mode, not in the sports, obviously, because this is super extreme. Wow. This car just wants to go, ladies and gentlemen. It just wants to go. Whoa! Oh, it's sad that we will never experience a sound like this again in an AMG, because this is so amazing. Wow, what a kick. That was the transmission itself, because I'm in the race mode. Wow. This car is so fun. I just want some space. It just wants to go. Oh my god, this car is such a beast. And then we can make a little pull. Wow. This car just wants to go. 180 is absolutely nothing for this car. So let's go, people. 200, 220, 230, so fast. Wow, and the brakes are awesome. Brakes are super good on this thing. What a pop. Wow, insane, ladies and gentlemen, this is just insane. So people, let's continue our Autobahn drive here. It's so fast! Oh my god! Wow! Oh my goodness! Wow! This car just goes! It's like a rocket. In the race mode I have to shift myself. There is no automatic, by the way, which is also cool. But it shifts down automatically and up. But I'm in the mode for the automatic, for the manual, as you can see on the numbers. So rewarding to floor this car. Oh. Wow, this car is so fast, ladies and gentlemen. Well, I hope you're enjoying this video, despite we can't reach top speeds, but we're still giving some throttle, some sound, some nice accelerations. Hope you're enjoying this. Oh, what a bang! And this car is so stable on the ground. It isn't like scary, stiff, jumping around or stuff like this. No, it's just completely perfect. Honestly, it's not too stiff. Completely fine. I could imagine this car being super good at high speeds. Unlike the Italian sports cars, they are so hard and so stiff. Oh, amazing. Just amazing pulse of this car. People, this car is just, what am I gonna tell you? It just, you would expect a 911 to be perfect. This is perfect as well. Perfect transmission, completely doable. Comfort is okay. Power is just super nice. The sound is so good. I just like this car. I really like it. I think it's such a nice car. I wanted to say value for money, but it's still really expensive. I mean, compared to like a GT3, GT2, yeah, the GT2 is clearly more than this car. It's just got that little bit of a punch more, that extra 100 horses. But this is so beautiful. I honestly don't know if I would get this car with the roll cage, because the roll cage moves away that daily drive factor, that comfort factor that this car has. You don't need to daily it, but for like a weekend trips or going 200 kilometers, this is completely fine with these seats. Absolutely perfect. But with these race seats, with these race buckets, I don't know. And the roll cage, I really don't know if that's gonna be a nice, pleasant drive. This is just for the racetrack, if you want this as a track tool. Oh, that's such a boost. So much boost. If you came across this video first before the review, make sure to check out the review. I showed the exterior, the interior, and driving on some B roads with a couple of launch controls. So the review is worthy of checking out. I hope you will like it. Oh, it sounds so good. Look at me, I don't have to really steer against it because it's jumping around and stuff like that. No, it's completely perfect. Race mode, let's go. Whoa! 180 already. 200. 230. Need to get on the brakes here. Wow, this car certainly moves, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, this is amazing. Yes, this is absolutely how I like them to be. What a sound. Oh my goodness. Whoa, this car is so fast. Oh, the pops. Oh my good God. Ah, this is so nice. Yes. I love it. So insanely powerful, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. Ho, ho, ho. People, I hope you enjoyed this Autobahn video with the AMG GTR. I have to take this exit here. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I will see you on the next one. I will give you this one last sound check, and then goodbye. Oh. Goodbye.